Hey Crafty Club, this is Sherry. In this video you have my lovely sister demonstrating how to do this craft. So thanks Carlin. So anyway, we're going to start with our macrame string and we're going to be measuring out segments of this. You want these segments to be between 6 and 7 inches long. So once you get a measurement, you want to go ahead and cut, and you're going to cut about 15 of these to start with. Next, you each have a little wooden piece here. You can decorate this piece if you wanted to paint it or whatnot. For our purposes, we're just going to demonstrate how to do it. So you're going to first start by grabbing one of your strings and folding it in half. So you see you have your rounded end and you have the open end. Find the front of your piece and you're going to put the rounded loop in through the front. Then you're going to reach down and grab the two bottom open strings and take that under and through that loop, and then you're going to pull it tautly. You don't want to pull so hard that you break the wood. You just want to pull it tight enough that you know that it's going to be secure. So what we're going to do is we're going to take all of the pieces that we cut and we're going to keep adding them in until we fill this entire bar on our macrame wooden piece here. And when you start to get towards the end, you may just need to like push and slide those knots down a little bit to make room. But once you're finished, it'll look something like this. Woohoo! I think it's cute already. And it's fancy because it's got your name on it. Alright, so now you can take some scissors and trim this if you want a different shape. My sister was trying to get like, I think she said like a trapezoid, so she was trying to get it angled on the sides and then straight across the bottom. I'll let you decide if she was successful in that, but you can do this, you know, you can make like a V shape, so it's pointed at the bottom and angled on both sides. You could try to make it circular, or you could keep it straight across, whatever your choice is, whatever your preference is. There will be another opportunity to shape this, so if you don't get it perfect right now, that's okay. Alright, so once you have the shape, now we're going to try to unravel some of these threads. So my sister is doing it by hand. She's just twisting the threads to unravel them and using her fingernails to kind of pull them apart. So this will work, and you can keep going like this. Alternatively, at the last minute I threw a comb in to your kits. So an easier way to unravel this would just be to take the comb and comb it out. But once you get it combed all the way out or unraveled, you can take your scissors again and reshape it at this point. So now that the fibers are loose, you might need to just touch up some of the areas. Alright, so now that it's reshaped and it's looking cute, and I think it's rounded now instead of a trapezoid, we're going to go ahead and add a piece of string. I tend to add a longer string because depending on where you put it, you know, you might want to trim the string down or whatever. So I add the longer string up front, and then I can have a little bit more flexibility. But once you get that string in, go ahead and knot it. And now comes the fun part, y'all, because we're basically finished with the design aspect. So you can take your preferably essential oil. So we dropped some lemon essential oils in your kit, so you can use that. You're just going to add, you know, 4, 5, 6 drops, however, with whatever your preference is, to the strings on this macrame diffuser. And then once you have your essential oil on there, you can go ahead and hang it up and enjoy. You can use fragrance oil on this as well, but the essential oil is preferred.